Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this Outre 13x6 unit. As you all can tell, she is laying and slaying. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Outre, and her name is Bexley. This is brought to you by divatress.com. So if you want more information on where you can purchase this on divatress.com, please be sure to wait to the end of this video to find out more about that. But now let's get into this product. I am loving this wig. I've actually glued it down. I wanted to see how it will lay, and look at how this looks. The parting space looks as if it's like from my scalp or something. It's looking very natural. I am loving this wig and how this looks, and I gave it a good little side part. But enough of me rambling on how good this looks. Let me tell you the specs of this unit. So this unit is a 28 inch. So she is quite long. She is surpassing my bust line. She is practically at my waist, a little past that as well. And she is a 13x6. So I was able to part it really far back, just a little past the crown of my head. It is way back there, and it is edge to edge lace. So you can definitely do that in terms of parting space and things like that. It's unlimited parting space. You could put it in the middle. You could do a little zigzag sign, kind of like what the model has here. She has kind of like that zigzag part, and this is the color that I have, and this is like a side part, which I did this color but with this side part. As you all can tell, I am loving how this looks. She is looking gorgeous. Now at the front of this unit, it is a 13x6 frontal. It has 6 inches of parting space when you part it way to the back. The back of it does have an adjustable band, and it does come with 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back, with adjustable straps, as well as this adjustable band that can also secure this wig. This wig is glued down, so it's extra protected. I've also used the elastic band as well as glue this wig down. You could glue this down or not if you would like. I just wanted to give it a try this time around. I wanted to lay this wig down this time around because I wanted to see how it will lay. Usually I don't glue it down, but as you all can tell, this is looking great. If you all want like a tutorial or what I've used, I will definitely leave those information down in the description box, where you could go ahead and click through and see what products I've used in order to achieve this look, and of course where you could purchase this wig. I am loving how this looks. So the hairline of this wig is pre-plucked, so you will have that type of natural frontal look without having to pay the frontal price. As you all can tell, at the front of this unit, it is looking quite natural here. I did use a powder that would help with the lace tint, so it gave off more of a skin-like, scalp-like type of color, which I do like because I usually go with something that matches my foundation or my skin tone, and this it will usually go with that. But seeing that type of lace tint gave it more like a skin-like finish, I do like that the most about it. So it makes the wig look even more realistic. So you can definitely tint this lace. There is no way of bleaching it or anything like that. This is a synthetic unit, but it doesn't feel like that. It feels nice and soft and silky, and it's so easy to pull my hands through. It's definitely a nice piece of hair, a nice piece of synthetic hair. Now, if you are purchasing from Divatress for the first time, you will get a 10% off once you put your email in. That will give you 10% off your very first order, so please be sure to go ahead and do that. And also, it is free shipping over $79 in continental US only, so definitely check that out. I love this wig, and I think it's a great buy, especially if you are looking for something that will look this nice and sleek. I did go ahead and did that parting space. I love how this looks. It looks so natural, so neat. I do love how this looks. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. As far as purchasing this on divatress.com, please be sure that when you are clicking through a particular color other than a 1 or 1B or 2, it will be an additional fee for the colors. So this color is an additional fee. This color is a ginger brown, so it's a DRFF2/ginger brown. So this is an additional fee. If you're just getting this in a color 1 or 1B or 2, it will be a flat rate. It would not be an extra fee. Surprisingly, the color 1, 1B, and the color 2 is in stock. I know those are the colors that tend to sell out pretty quickly because of that natural color, so you can definitely go ahead and do that. This one is also in stock, so please be sure to go ahead and order right now. divatress.com. Go over there and shop and get this hair before it sells out. I know it will sell out because, again, the hair is just so beautiful and it's great for any occasion. You can do any style that you want with it. The only difference is you can't bleach the knots or anything like that, but get you a good lace tint and you'll be good to go. That's what I did with it, and as you all can tell, it looks gorgeous and I love it. Thank you so much, divatress.com, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And click on that notification bell so you can be notified of future uploads. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.